Well, you can see the problem with this Kenwood stereo cassette deck type KX 660 HX. There's a tape inside with music on it, and when we look at the meters, put the light off, you will see that it's actually pretty silent, so it's gonna be a nice job. Bought it for €1. It's an, as you can see, HX Pro deck with Dolby B and C. It has automatic bias adjustment, so before you start recording on the tape, you can actually find out what the bias of that tape really is. Yeah, I think it's a nice deck. It's from 1988. So yeah, well, it has some nice functionalities, but well, it's not working like it's supposed to do. So been cleaning the heads a few times because there was a lot of grease on them, but really did know that that was not going to solve any issues with the sound. It does not record as well, and when I try to monitor the sound, it's really crackly, so there's something going wrong inside. I have to figure it out by myself, because well, there is no service manual of it, so oh well, for €1 it's a nice puzzle. That's what I pay for it. So it's gonna be the next project for the next few weeks, this Kenwood KX 660 HX.